Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 11 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then scroll down in order to find passwords and security. Now we have to tap on privacy and enter encryption and credentials. As you can see at the very bottom, we've got the clear credentials option. So all we have to do is to tap on it and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we've got this information. What is more? Oh, it is actually active. I thought that it will be inactive, but it is active. Whatever, we had the information that the certificate has been removed. So basically that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Redmi Note 11 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.